एक ज्ञानी पुरुष हमको मिले।
हाँ?
ज्ञानी पुरुष हमको मिले।
ज्ञानी एक संत को मिले।
ज्ञानी पुरुष हमको मिले अभी।
हाँ, मिले हमको।
और मिलने के बाद हमको पता भी चला कि काम निकाल लेना चाहिए। फिर भी एक ज्ञान मिलने के बाद ज्ञान के प्रति हमारी सिंसियरिटी नहीं होती है, उनकी क्या वजह है? आप कृपा करके बताइए।
बस बैठो बैठो। आगे 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 पीछे उनके पीछे। बस बस तो बैठ जाओ। आ जाओ उनके पीछे, एक दूसरे को हाथ लगा सकते हैं। बस ऐसी जमती है दोस्ती, जमे ना दोस्ती है कि नहीं?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं, सबके साथ है।
हाँ?
सबके साथ दोस्ती है।
किसके साथ?
सबके साथ।
किसके साथ? यहाँ के सब क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आता मुझे। पूछा मैं समझ में वैसा पूछूंगा।
आपको तो सब दिखाई देता है, क्या समझना है? फिर भी बताता हूँ। ज्ञानी पुरुष हमें मिले और मिलने के बाद हमें पता भी चला कि हमें काम निकाल लेना चाहिए।
ज्ञानी के पास क्या होता है? काम निकालेंगे।
ज्ञानी पुरुष के पास ही सब कुछ होता है।
खाली किससे होते हैं? किस्सा वाले के तो काम नहीं बनता है ना।
ज्ञानी की कृपा तो
ऐसा बंद क्यों बोलता है कि बिना किस्से वाले के बंद क्यों ऐसा बोलता है?
ये नवीन भाई ने प्रश्न पूछा, वो प्रश्न मैं थोड़े अलग तरीके से
आप पूछो
कि हमें पूरे परमात्मा का स्थान दे दिया है और ज्ञान बुद्धि के बाद परमात्मा अंदर खुले हो गए हैं, अपने अंदर विराजमान है, वो रियलाइज कर दिए हैं ज्ञान के बाद। तो भी
रियलाइज क्या?
हमारे में
शुद्धात्मा
बात हुई
और अंदर भगवान बैठे हैं, अंदर साक्षात भगवान बैठे हैं, तो भी ये सब झंझटों से हिल क्यों जाते हैं?
अंदर
ये सब जो दुनिया की जो फाइलें जो हैं, उससे हमको वो अंदर के भगवान की अनुभूति भी बंद हो जाती है। ऐसा क्यों होता है दादा?
ऐसा यूं होता है कि यहाँ कुछ अग्नि की गर्मी नहीं है। अग्नि की गर्मी हो, वहां जाओ तो कुछ बने। फर्नेस की अग्नि में जाना चाहिए। उसको भट्ठी बोलते हैं। भट्ठा, भट्ठा मालूम है? तो भट्ठी तो भाप प्रवृत्ति की भट्ठी, जाओ वहां जाओ। इसीलिए तो वहां जाता है भारत की भट्ठी में। उनके लिए वही है। ठीक है, देखो पंछी बोलते हैं तो बिना भट्ठी और ठंडी नहीं लगती। ठीक है, क्या क्या बताएं?
फर्नेस
वो बोल रहे हैं
वो सही है।
क्या सही? समझा कैसे उसने? अपने अंदर ठंडा पर हो गया है, निकलना चाहिए ना। तो जी
हाँ, वो ठंडा पर नहीं होना चाहिए अभी तो।
हाँ?
अभी तो निराकुलता और ठंडापन ही होना चाहिए,
होना ही चाहिए।
होना चाहिए, लेकिन होता नहीं है उसकी।
तो पीछे खाना कैसे बचेगा?
नहीं नहीं सब मालूम भी है सब कुछ है, फिर भी जैसे कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो अपने मिल जाता
और तो अच्छे हैं ना बच्चे। पहले प्रॉब्लम की गर्मी होती नहीं ना क्या? यहाँ का प्रॉब्लम की गर्मी क्या? पट्टे का प्रॉब्लम हो तो गर्मी आ रहे हैं। साहब साहब क्या बोलते हैं? अरे भाई रखो ना, मुझे चाहिए तुमों का। आप क्या बोलते हो? क्या बोलते हैं आप?
हम बोलते हैं कि यदि आप हिल गए किसी दुनिया की चीज़ों से, इसका मतलब आपका ज्ञान कच्चा है।
अच्छा है।
कच्चा है,
अच्छा।
आप यहाँ अंदर पूरा ज्ञान खुला ही नहीं है।
हाँ
यदि ज्ञान खुल गया
हाँ।
फिर तो आप विचलित हो ही नहीं पाओगे किसी चीज़ से भी।
अच्छा, विचलित न होना मैंने क्या?
विचलित ना होना मतलब है कि यदि आप ज्ञान खुल गया, मीन्स आपको सब कुछ पता चल गया, फिर तो कोई भी चीज़ आपको बॉदर करेगी नहीं।
बॉदर विचलित न होना मैंने बॉदर न होना, ऐसा हिलना नहीं।
हिलना नहीं। यदि ज्ञान आ गया आपको, तो यदि ज्ञान खुल गया तो इसका मतलब ज्ञान पूरा खुला नहीं है। हम सोचते हैं कि हमारा ज्ञान, हमने ज्ञान विधि ले ली, ज्ञान खुल गया, जहाँ मतलब हम सोचते हैं ज्ञान खुल गया और फिर भी हम विचलित हो गए, इसका मतलब ज्ञान खुला नहीं है।
सोचते हैं हम और हम ऐसे हो जाते हैं।
जो मेरे को लग रहा है कि यदि कोई विचलित हो गया तो इसका मतलब ज्ञान पूरा खुला नहीं है।
कौन सा क्या?
ज्ञान, आत्म ज्ञान कह लो कि मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ, मैं अपने आप में स्थिर हूँ, इसका मतलब मैं स्थिर नहीं हूँ। यदि मैं स्थिर हूँ तो मेरे को तो कोई कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, कोई दुनिया वाला कुछ भी नहीं कर, इसकी हिम्मत ही नहीं है कुछ करने की मेरे को।
किस ढंग से स्थिर है?
हाँ जी,
कैसे स्थिर है? किस ढंग से?
इसका मतलब कि ज्ञान की समझ नहीं आई।
हाँ?
इसका मतलब है कि ज्ञान की समझ पूरी नहीं आई यदि मैं हिल गया तो।
अच्छा, आपको लेसन नहीं मिलता है सही,
हाँ जी,
अंदर से लेसन पर सही मिलता नहीं।
इसका मतलब तो ये है कि मतलब स्टिल कुछ भी कमी है, हमारे को कुछ और करना है जिससे हम और अपना ज्ञान जो है अपने आप को समझ पाएं, अपने आप को सेपरेट कर पाएं।
अच्छा, होमवर्क नहीं किया?
है
होमवर्क बराबर नहीं हुआ?
पॉसिबिलिटी है कि होमवर्क नहीं किया इसलिए पूरा नहीं खुला गया। हम कच्चे हैं, अभी भी हमारी उतनी भावना नहीं है अपने प्रति।
होमवर्क करने की ज्यादा इच्छा नहीं होती।
होमवर्क करने की इच्छा नहीं होती, जहाँ मतलब हमारे अभी ऐसे कर्म बने ही नहीं है कि हम उस मतलब वो टाइम ही नहीं आया, वो व्यवस्थित जो टाइम आना था वो आया ही नहीं है।
इसका तो इंतजार करना चाहिए टाइम की।
पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि जहाँ इंतजार करना चाहिए और भक्ति करनी चाहिए और अपने आप को
किसका टाइम?
और भक्ति करनी चाहिए अपने दादा भगवान की, ताकि टाइम आए, जल्दी टाइम आए और हम समझ पाए अपने आप को, हमें कोई नहीं दुखी कर सके आसपास वाली स्थिति किसी किस्म की, जहाँ हम उस स्थिति को समझते नहीं है इसलिए दुखी होते हैं।
बोलते हैं कि हम कुछ श्रम नहीं करते, ऐसा बोलते हैं। श्रम नहीं,
श्रम में भी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि जहाँ फिर
श्रम,
ऐसे ना
श्रम।
नहीं, हाँ श्रम करो, जहाँ भी पॉसिबिलिटी ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना।
श्रम तो फिजिकल में जरूरी है।
नहीं,
ऐसा हो तो क्या बोलूँ मैं?
आप सोल्यूशन बताइए ना, आप सोल्यूशन बताइए भी हम कहाँ पे गलत हैं।
बताओ। श्रम श्रमणता से होता है। क्या बताया? श्रमणता से, बिना श्रम वाला श्रम। कसरत वाला नहीं वो।
शारीरिक श्रम नहीं,
हाँ?
मन से जहाँ कुछ ऐसा
जहाँ श्रम नहीं, ऐसी श्रमणता।
श्रमणता, अब इसका थोड़ा और बताएंगे, मेरे को मतलब नहीं पता इसका क्या।
श्रमणता, अर्थात हमें सही सीधेपन से मेरा साधुपन जो बनना नहीं हो पाता। सीधे हुए, लेकिन सीधे हुए तो सीधेपन की साधुता आनी चाहिए।
साधुता आनी चाहिए,
सीधेपन
की साधुता आनी चाहिए।
टेढ़ेपन में साधुता नहीं, टेढ़ेपन में नहीं। श्रम टेढ़ेपन में है या सीधेपन में, बताइए। श्रम कहाँ है? टेढ़ेपन और सीधेपन, नहीं समझे आप? सब जो पढ़ो। इतना गहरा सवाल है।
नहीं, मेरा कोई सवाल नहीं है। आई ओनली लाइक टू लिसन। मैं सिर्फ सुनना चाहता हूँ, अभी बोलने की स्थिति में नहीं हूँ।
आप बताओ।
हमें अपना
सब अपनी जगह रहेंगे।
सुनना चाहिए। हमें सुनना चाहिए, ज्ञानी पुरुष की वाणी सुननी चाहिए, ज्ञानी पुरुष के आदेश होने चाहिए।
हमने अलग पूछा, टेढ़ेपन में श्रम लगता है, श्रमणता में श्रम लगता है।
श्रमणता में तो श्रम नहीं लगता है, खाली
श्रमणता बोलते हैं साहब।
श्रमणता मीन्स सुनना
नहीं, श्रमणता,
श्रवण नहीं,
तो याद करना।
श्रमण,
श्रवण मतलब सुनना।
श्रवण नहीं, श्रवण नहीं, श्रवण नहीं, श्रमण। श्रमण सीधापन वाला ही श्रवण कर सकता है।
सीधापन।
श्रमण मीन्स सीधापन, साधुपन। श्रमण मीन्स साधुपन।
सीधापन से साधुपन, साधुपन का संबंध होता है।
हाँ जी, वो क्योंकि दे नो बेटर हिंदी, आई थिंक दे कैन एक्सप्लेन। हाँ जी, श्रमण
नहीं, श्रवण नहीं, श्रम शब्द नहीं सुना।
श्रमण इज मेहनत।
नहीं तो बताता हूँ मैं। तो ये तो पूछा कि टेढ़ेपन में मेहनत है या सीधेपन में मेहनत है।
टेढ़ेपन में
टेढ़ेपन में
टेढ़ेपन में मेहनत है दादा, सीधेपन में कोई मेहनत नहीं,
मेहनत ही नहीं।
कुछ है ही नहीं वहाँ पे, कुछ भी नहीं है वहाँ।
रखोगे क्यों घबराते हो?
नहीं घबराने रे, मैंने कहा सब सुन लेंगे ना, वो तो
दो साहब को Officer, come forward. Come first, come here. Good sir.
Surajuddin.
Surajuddin. Yes. You made me Surajuddin. Yes. Doctors. Right. You know who you are. Right? Why? Allah. Right? I see. So you are in Khuda, direct relation with Allah. So Khuda with 5 fundamental sentences. Relative point, real point. Right. Relative में खुदाईपन से सब्जेक्ट रहता है. Real point से खुदाईपन से खुद के साथ खुदीपन से खुद को जानते ही अल्लाह भक्ति से आता है. मजा, राइट? हम किसी को बताना नहीं. सूरज समझ जाएगा.
नहीं समझ जाए, हिंदी समझ जाए.
हिंदी नहीं आता उसको.
You don't see the movement of this.
Lip movement out.
Allah speaks.
Did Allah speak?
Khuda.
Allah and Khuda is the same.
Khuda speaks, but silently. Such a silence that only Allah can listen. Go. Is understood well? Fatima? Yes. Very good. Oh no. Oh, नमी कौन आई? हाँ? हाँ?
आई थी मैं दादाजी को।
सीधी कैंसर की है. क्या जा? तेरी? कौन है? तेरे साथ है? क्या है? तेरे से ऊंची है? हाँ?
राजेश त्रिवेदी की डॉटर.
राजेश त्रिवेदी? त्रिवेदी?
3 वेद पढ़े हुए.
हाँ?
3 वेद पढ़े हुए.
दादाजी को क्या पता है?
कितने
सब जानते हैं.
हैं?
5 seconds.
5? Only 5? All right. क्या पढ़ेगी?
कॉमर्स लिया दादाजी.
लिया? कितना? कौन सा साल?
12th में.
12th. ओके. बट आगे पढ़ेगी ना?
जी दादाजी.
कहाँ तक?
जितना होगा दादाजी.
ओके. त्रिवेदी लोग तो पढ़ते हैं. अच्छा. कौन बैठे?
नहीं तो आंसू तुम्हारे.
कपिल भाई.
दादाजी हमारा बताओ प्रश्नों का जवाब. मैंने पूछा आपको.
भट्ठा का
हाँ.
गर्मी, वो तपन ज्ञान का प्रकाश सही ढंग से रखता है और उनके अंदर जो ठंडक हो मिलती है उनसे हमारा दर्शन बड़ा अच्छा और उनके साथ साथ बाकी रहा सारा व्यवहार का चिपकटपन निकलता जाता है फिजिकल क्रिया है ही और नहीं है ही और नहीं लेकिन बहुत सटल है बहुत सूक्ष्म है इज वेरी वेरी सटल highest of the high yogi cannot understand that it's so high even a Patanjal no not given to anybody except a Jnani and Jnani is one in whose heart Jnani is there in whose heart Jnani is there seat of Jnani seat of Jnani is in the heart follow and verily you are same. There is no differentiation between you and Jnani in that case. Bharati, listening or not?
You are saying Patanjali and other people also don't know something.
No, that is a different. As you have to grasp the height at which I am telling, the zenith, that you have to understand. Because that zenith is beyond all this yogic.
What did you say, Dadaji? Janit. What does it mean?
Topmost point.
हमको नहीं बोला ना
Meaning a pure soul state result at that level. You understand? That is the point. And all yogis, Patanjali I told only that because that is the climax for yogis.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because Patanjali Yoga relates to the blockage and stoppage of the ethereal chitta state of being in our body. That is that yoga. It is also known as darshana, but that yoga darshana is like that. It leads to very, very high subtle states, no doubt, but the states to which it can take, beyond that, there is vast to cover, vast. And our Shuddhatma state is much, much further than that. You understand? And that also, upon realization, our state, between our state and the zenith, is also quite very. But you are already in the process. That is called Ajna. That is called Ajna Purushartha. That is called progress by Ajna Purushartha and the result of the Jagruti within, which is of a very pacifying from within and without, darshan prakash of Shuddhatma upon the cleansing that takes place of the subtlest of the subtle part of the inner body organs. That is the point. You understand? But Patanjali, what I said, is at lower level than that. Because it is on the subtle part of the body organ that relates to the exterior part. And the high levels that can be reached, that level only. That's it. That is why the ultimate result for that is called Chitta Nirodha. Chitta is the state of being, is Arya. And when in state of being Chitta, for yogic internal progress in those levels leads one step by step there. Very few, very rare can reach that. There are many physical subtle level capabilities that open out. Very many. But ordinary human beings beyond reach of them. That is the point. Therefore you feel that, oh, this is I. And this Siddhartha vision is totally different. Today, whatever has happened is purely the result of the grace, nothing. And grace is not the function of any physical activity. Yet, it results out of and due to, on account of, the very presence of the physic that is divine, in the sense that is totally devoid of egoism and possession, totally. That is the point. And therefore, that body is a wonderful instrument. Well, that is given to human body. For that is the point. Everybody exercises severely with the body for such results. But for that body has to be of that order, which is not so. Not at all in these times. Not a one. Neither in the whole of the India nor anywhere.
Body has to be fit for that. The body has to be fit for that.
It is not possible. Times are such. Because only those bodies exist in these times which are unfit. But those body lives go on. There is called social culture. What in the world parlance is known as Vyavhara. Understand? Vyavhara far you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
That is the point. Even if it is a dharma, it is a vyavahar. That is the point. That is Lord Krishna said to Arjuna, Partha. That is the subtlest final ultimate meaning that Lord conveyed to Arjuna, Partha, in that very dire situation. You understand? Who can have such a situation, or a Lord with one who is in such a situation, and at the same time, in spite of it, with such a situation, with a heart which has a seed, wonderful seed, pure seed, which is unswerving for the God to be there, yet not aware of the God being verily behold the one. Do you now understand? For that to be aware and realize that God vision is required. God is verily before you. That is how it is. It eluded Einstein, the scientist, who was a natural scientist of this millennium last. It eluded him. And that is how he had to stop and his efforts everywhere at that level. At the fag end of his life. Understand? Einstein. And feeling the beyond his situation for him, but accepting by heart. Even though Einstein was known not to believe in such matters, he was a perfect believer. Very few movies.
उसका एक sentence था ना, God has placed dice. God placed dice.
That sentence is not properly understood. Destiny for destiny, God here not for God. God is God could be what? God is God?
Yeah.
God?
Yes.
Oh, I understood that destiny. God and God is lies with the destiny like that. God and destiny they are juxtaposed.
ऐसा कुछ है.
God and destiny.
Dice. God has played dice ऐसा बोला.
वो तो है. Oh, God also seems to be playing dice with destiny.
Yeah, ऐसा.
That is the point.
अंत में
So he could not have that division of perception between destiny and God, destiny boundaries and God filled. God. You understand? Filled of God, kingdom. God is God all around, everywhere, for everybody. God is one by quality wise, but infinite in numbers, individually, individualistically, human being wise, in the sense that God, that is in the formless form, state of being, is totally emancipated and liberated state. is in the ultimate and final human body only. You understand? Yes. That is the beauty of a human body that can achieve. That is called zenith. But in these times not possible. Kali Yuga. There is a time bar. By time bar they understand. Nobody can cross that time bar. Einstein tried very hard, and so also scientists presently also they do that. Hawkins also know that, his black hole theory.
Yes.
And so many other scientists too. Sire, I am no scientist.
The greatest scientist.
No. My science.
The greatest scientist.
My science is different science that relates on the original science, to the original science, the science of the Supreme, which is the science, and because of the science of this Supreme, all other sciences can be there.
Exactly.
Not without
Without
in the presence, verily in the presence.
Science are absolute.
Because Supreme Presence is there, all the sciences of the world are there.
Exactly.
So presence of the Supreme is not there, none can ever be there. And we will be thrown in the dark. But today also, whatever scientists and sciences are there in the world, in every faculty of life, all included, none excluded. The light is up. Understand? They fall very, very short of reaching this supreme science. It's very difficult. Einstein reached to the extent of 10% on relative side. Real side, nobody can penetrate also. It was in the fringe also. But when do you understand that that is in the realm of a Jnani Purush or a Mahatma of a Jnani Purush? A Mahatma of a Jnani Purush who has seated in his heart for Jnani Purush, that is with a stabilized state of being of the Supreme Being at the heart, and we are in the heart seat. From wonderful.
I'll ask a question. What mental block is there in the minds of those scientists which prevents them from accepting the presence of soul?
It's too low, very low. There is no question. That question is very low. Because their level of development of belief is responsible for that. Level of development of the belief is the basis for all these things, for all human beings, all over the world, everywhere. You'll see the languages, nationally and internationally, will, be and are not differing at all. Religion-wise, faith-wise, everything. But beliefs differ. And belief, according to the difference in beliefs, the perception of God beliefs differences. That is not to say that they mean God to be so different or different, so differently different. No, not that way. In the heart it is not so, but that head comes in between. Because that belief plane is very belief. When belief is the root cause, pivotal root cause, but the whole world beings of beings, as we say, human beings only. Because human being and human formation of a living entity is the highest development of form of an entity, of a living entity. Understand? But all the human beings of the international, all world, with the presence of the God are the same. But at the planes, on the planes of belief, are the same. So religions based on the planes of beliefs and faiths, belief-based faiths, they are correct language-wise all over the world, nationally and internationally, because dual language is the same everywhere for everybody in the relative world, for the Vyavahar as well as for God too. Same duality. And for so far as realm, kingdom of God is concerned, everybody believes is beyond reach. That's simple as that. So there's nobody can reach that. It's not beyond human reach. That is there. You follow or no?
Yes.
You can call whole Hindu religion, I tell you. Today's Jain darshan is so progressed. Belief level wise. But time factor is there for the same darshan to be bracketed with all others. Look here. Jain darshan is definitely. But one thing, good point about Jain darshan is this, that any Jain, anywhere, the belief plane of the development is at very well and good level amongst other darshans of the India as well as in the world, so far as the relative perspective thinking about God and life and matter and all is concerned, is there in principle to an extent I say, it is there. But the fact of that extent in the scriptures is so small, minusculely small, that it is among so many reading of the verbal way of scriptures. Do you understand? Verbal way. So extremely difficult to find. Who will extract that sentence? Only Jnani can see through and through. Because he does not need any scriptures or reliance. He is self-reliant. Absolutely. So that is all. So
Jnani can see.
Huh?
Jnani can see through.
Through and through.
Through and through.
My vision falls on you and I can go through and through, I can see. You may not be doing that. Nobody can know that. Nobody can obstruct mean to see through as anyone is, but not opinion wise. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Not opinion wise, that sentence is not clear.
Opinion is for the relative part.
Opinion is all trouble for us. We want to have our shooting of Jnana and Jnana, this Jnana, everything with that only. Still we have got left. Though it is not in the charged state, yet it is there in the body in inbuilt state, which is discharge power state. But still, you have no free time for it to let it go and pass out. During the water that you drink has to pass out. But this needs to get pass out. Don't laugh at me. Discharge, verily, in today's parlance and such an intelligent development of today's times, and you are intelligent people, when everyone understand that is a passing phase, or not, passing out phase or not, discharge,
Yes.
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 or storing in,
No, passing on.
or discharge after, exhausting out.
Exhausting.
That's very simple. But it has to be left. So, if not, then difficult. That is how it is. So for that, inner firepower is required.
The fire. Top.
Inner power what?
In the
Inner
fire.
fire.
Oh.
Adani, I have one question.
What?
Your grace is same on everyone. There is no difference in the grace. That's how I understand. And you go to Lakshmi Narayan Mandir and even Gitashram, and your grace is same on each and every one. But only very few people come to you for the Gnan-Vidhi or something like that. Because in Krishna Mandir, they believe that by reading Bhagavad Gita, they will get their own moksha. And in Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, they think that the Guruji has given them the mantra, and by chanting that alone they will get the moksha. Only few people come for Gnan-Vidhi or any such things.
To tell me in short what is.
आप लक्ष्मीनारायण मंदिर में गए, तब गीता मंदिर में गए, जबकि आपका सब पे एक जैसी दृष्टि है, फिर भी ज्ञान विधि के लिए कम लोग आए, क्योंकि उनका ये मानना है कि अगर वो खाली गीता पढ़ेंगे तो उससे उनको मोक्ष हो जाएगा।
तो समझ गया। और that's correct. You see, ज्ञान विधि के अंदर I and I is a totally different thing. For anybody to have inner feelings, feeling is a very low word.
Inner?
Feeling.
Inner feeling.
It is not anybody is given to anybody. No, very difficult.
Inner feeling for liberation you mean?
Yes.
They should have an intense feeling for that.
No question of having.
They should
It's
have
a natural thing.
inner
It's a state of development. That is called here, it is called that. Punya.
I told you Brother Vasudevan was trying to come to you for the past 2 times.
The time factor is lacking for him.
He was telling today.
Time factor is lacking for him, and to that extent, that punya factor also is lacking for factor. Wherever time factor is lacking, punya factor is lacking. Punya factor may be there latent, but it has to be well timed.
Okay, time
Not
factor.
by any effort.
Pardon?
It does not require an effort. It is natural.
तो हम इसी को व्यवस्थित शक्ति
Natural of happening. उसी को व्यवस्थित शक्ति बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर व्यवस्थित बोले तो where is the presence of the Supreme Being within? Because of the very presence of the Supreme within and the development of our belief that level and our desire, yearning, pangs of approaching the Supreme Being, that way. You understand? That is the point. In that case, if you bring Vyavasthit, then you will close your doors and all these things to the very Supreme Being which is within you, so near you. Do you understand? Or no? Actually, our windows, doors, everything today in today's times are so closed that whatever little is open is that something is coming in. That is how it is. Huh? I'm teaching you. Bharatiman, come here, you come near to me. I would like to see you come near me. Here. Some easy chair, folding chair or nothing is not there. You people must keep some folding chairs. Wait. Some folding chair. Well, because she needs chair. That is the point. If you make available, it will be a good service to her. Then call her. No, this is little. That's it.
I can sit down, no problem.
No. I can talk this nicely. I can talk nicely.
थोड़ा नवा लोग थोड़ा नवा लोग आएगा सर उन्हें इनवाइट करा सर
Newcomers.
कौन सी बता वो घर करा
Oh, I think we should talk to them.
घर करा कौन
They should also get it.
अगर आओ
Nadaji, there is a good question Bharti had asked. Here everybody is smiling.
Later on, but newcomers have come, give them chance. Okay?
कौन सी वो
We will take that later on. Okay? After that. Let's, for the timing, let's give some chance to them to open out. Huh? Whatever. Anyway, anything. Please come here. Don't make me to shout at you.
I have a question.
Don't make me to shout. Come here.
Harsh, mic
Exactly. You are good friend. Good friend. Go inside little. Go inside little.
मामी जी
Dada, he is Harsh Mehta, he is also from Udaipur.
From Bijapur. Udaipur.
Yes.
Okay. How are you? Harsh Mehta.
I'm fine, sir.
Huh?
I'm fine.
Fine, okay.
So I have a small question.
Then talk big.
Whatever you are explaining may sound a little complicated to people like us, those who are busy in our.
Talk simply.
No, just a second. It may sound complicated to people like us, those who are busy in our day-to-day routine, working, managing a family. What can be the route for people like me to reach Narayana?
That's what she told me.
In very simple language,
Big.
what should people like us do to reach Narayana?
She goes, 108 times. 108 times.
Crush कृष्ण ने कहा है कि स्वर्ग भी यही है, नरक भी यही है। सांसारिक जीवन को ढंग से जी लो तो मेरे तक पहुंच जाओगे।
वो तो और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गया सर।
मैं नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, कृष्ण ने कहा वो और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ सिंपल क्या है जिससे कि हम जैसे लोग वी कैन रीच नारायण।
नहीं, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ तो ह्यूमन लाइफ ही है। ह्यूमन लाइफ एक कलयुग की है, कलयुग का सफरिंग वाली है। अभी सतयुग का सफरिंग नहीं रहा आपको।
क्या क्या करना चाहिए?
तो ये कलयुग में कुछ करना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन सभी करने से छुटकारा पाना हो और शरीर को आराम से इजीली काम करने दो, ऐसी स्थिति में आना हो तो ऐसे पुरुष को ढूंढ निकालो जो ऐसे है, जिनका शरीर काम कर रहा है बड़ी अच्छी ढंग से 100% एफिशिएंटली, और वो उनसे एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है, फिर भी साथ में है, क्योंकि कलयुग तो है, सभी को है, ऐसा तुम्हें भी है। नहीं समझे?
नहीं क्लियर।
मैं क्या बताऊं तो पीछे
ये मेरा प्रश्न
करना है, बोला है ना आपने, करने की बात बताई, इतना यही तो बात बताता हूँ क्या करना चाहिए।
हाँ।
तो ये तो बताता हूँ, करने से तो शरीर मजबूत होगा, मन मजबूत होगा, अंदर का हर्ष मेहता मजबूत होगा, सब कुछ मजबूती मिलेगी, मत्था मजबूत होगा, सब कुछ मजबूत होगा। तो क्या करेंगे उसको?
उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? वो मजबूत करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन। तो हम लोग बिजी हैं अपने काम में।
जो मजबूत है उनकी मजबूती खुली नहीं होती, वहां जो मजबूरियां हैं वो निकालनी है। नहीं समझे साहब? मजबूरियां वही बहुत बीच में आती है, हमें खुद पे ब्लॉकेट कर लिया है, बहुत कुछ है। बस में था आप कृष्ण भगवान को बसते हो या शिव जी को?
कृष्ण को।
है?
कृष्ण को, कृष्ण भगवान को।
कृष्ण ओनली सिंपल कृष्ण,
कृष्ण भगवान,
कृष्ण जी,
कृष्ण भगवान को कहा ना मैंने।
कृष्ण भगवान, और कृष्ण परमात्मा नहीं,
कृष्ण भगवान कहते हैं।
नारायण,
नारायण या कृष्ण भगवान कहते
हैं। तो नारायण नारायण बोलते हो कि नहीं? नारायण जी कैसे बोलते हैं? नारायण जी
तो नारायण नारायण कहते हैं।
तो सही से करो,
लेकिन उसको करने से शांति नहीं मिलती है।
ये तो मुझे पता है यार।
सर जीवन में
शांति के लिए प्रयत्न बहुत है।
नहीं, जीवन में समस्या इतनी है, जीवन में समस्या इतनी होती है।
सही है, बात सही
उसके
है।
मन की शांति के लिए क्या रास्ता अपनाया?
कि नारायण का, हमें नारायण क्या है वही हमें समझ नहीं, ख्याल नहीं, जानते नहीं, तो क्या करें? तो सब कुछ मिल सकती है। सिमरी सिमरी के क्या नाम मैं भूल गया, सिमरी नहीं, ओ सिमरन, अच्छा। सब आगे क्यों दूरी बैठ गए? अच्छा बैठो, तो वही भी जगह है ना, वो भी जगह है ना। ये अनिल जी की अच्छी जगह है। हाँ, एडिशनल जगह बहुत काम, अच्छी काम में लगे। तो अर्षद जी, आपका प्रश्न है कि हम सामान्य मनुष्य क्या करें? उनके लिए आपकी इच्छा क्या है? शांति चाहिए? क्या इच्छा क्या है बताओ मुझे।
कुछ ऐसा हो जिससे मन की शांति रहे,
मन की शांति,
in spite of all the problems we have in a day-to-day life. That is,
you have got problems.
हर एक आदमी को होती है। नॉर्मल मैन
आप हर एक है और आप है।
डेफिनेटली टेंशन होते हैं।
आप मैंने गरीब नहीं है आप।
आप हैं या
हाँ मैं हूँ।
तो बच्चे आपकी बात करो।
हाँ मुझे रहती है समस्या, टेंशन रहते हैं।
तरक्की करेंगे तो आप गुमराह हो जाएंगे। तो पीछे सन हमेशा ये तो सब दुनिया का दस्तूर है। सब लोग ये बोलते हैं एक करते सब करते हैं, एक करते वो करते हैं, तो खुद की सोचता नहीं कोई। हमेशा खुद शरीर से जीना चाहता है लेकिन उसका तो सोच ही नहीं कुछ। क्यों? इस बात charity has to begin at home. Parshada,
Yes.
To start at that point. Ask like that question. Please show me a way for me, Parshada, to be at peace.
बताइए।
And happy. In my outside life, in home life, right? You like that?
Yes.
Home life.
Everywhere, tensions are everywhere in home
Everywhere
life,
means everywhere.
professional life, home life, our society, our circle.
Our means what?
My society, my
No, you
circle,
said
my
our
family.
means, I thought you have more than one.
No, society doesn't comprise me alone. Society means more than me.
But our-
Professional life means more than me. My family life means more than me.
So you
I
are
cannot live alone as a nucleus, as an isolated island in this world.
so that is
If there is
how
a tension for me, it affects others. If others have tensions, it affects me.
what I understand you is you mean that you are society and society is you.
Yes. I make a society and society makes
So
me.
that is why you point at your you. Point at you only. Ultimately it is to you only.
It is to me. But
Same thing.
my existence is affected by so many factors beyond my control.
That is because of you. If you are not Harshad here as Harshad, nothing will be there.
Since-
Come to Harshad now.
I am Harsh. Since I am living
Harsh
in
ke
this world.
Harshad.
Harsh.
Harsh.
Harshvardhan.
बस हर्षवर्धन वो तो राजा था बड़ा.
Since my existence is there, it is affected by so many factors which are beyond my control.
Look,
That's what I am
I
asking.
am telling you from where it springs out.
Springs from me.
Then go there.
Means
Get
the
into it.
way- the
Get
way-
inside. Go
the way to
inside.
find myself
Then go
inside.
inside. Then close the eyes. Close the eyes. Close the eyes. Do you open again eyes? For some 1-2 minutes also you can. तो बोला अच्छा बोला चल चल.
हे अंतर्यामी परमात्मा,
हे अंतर्यामी परमात्मा,
Harsh, you speak loudly and listen yourself what you speak. Do you follow what I say?
Yes.
What did I say?
You said that I should speak and I should follow what I speak.
No, you should listen what you speak.
Yes.
Follow me.
I should listen inside what I speak.
No question of inside. Just listen. Whatever you speak clearly and same listen exactly same points. Okay? Please. Mind you are educated. Come on.
हे अंतर्यामी परमात्मा,
हे अंतर्यामी परमात्मा,
आप हर एक जीव मात्र में विराजमान है।
आप हर एक जीव मात्र में विराजमान है।
वैसे मुझ में भी विराजित है। आपका स्वरूप वही मेरा स्वरूप है। मेरा स्वरूप शुद्धात्मा है। हे शुद्धात्मा, शुद्धात्मा भगवान, मैं आपको अभेद भाव से अत्यंत भक्ति पूर्वक नमस्कार करता हूँ। अज्ञानता के कारण मैंने जो जो दोष किए हैं, उन सभी दोषों को आपके समक्ष जाहिर करता हूँ। उनका हृदय से प्रायश्चित करता हूँ। हे प्रभु, मुझे क्षमा करे, क्षमा करे, क्षमा करे, और पुनः ऐसे दोष मुझसे कभी भी न किया जाए। ऐसी परम शक्ति आप मुझे प्रदान करें। हे शुद्धात्मा भगवान, आप ऐसी कृपा करें कि मुझ में से भेदभाव निकल जाए और अभेद स्वरूप प्राप्त हो। मैं आप में अभेद स्वरूप से तन्मयाकार रहूं। जय सच्चिदानंद।
जय सच्चिदानंद। Shall I repeat again? You like once more?
नहीं
I can.
नहीं ठीक है।
If you want. If you want.
No, no, it's okay.
I would like to. If you permit me.
No, it's okay. Yes.
Then let's go further.
Okay.
But you get tired of it?
No.
No. You like it?
Yes.
Then again close eyes. Same exercise. हे अंतर्यामी दादा भगवान वितराग परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी दादा भगवान वितराग परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी श्री कृष्ण भगवान नारायण स्वरूप परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी श्री कृष्ण भगवान नारायण स्वरूप परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी श्री शिव परम कल्याण स्वरूप परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी श्री शिव परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी श्री सिमंदर स्वामी पर अरिहंत परमात्मा।
हे अंतर्यामी श्री सिमंदर स्वामी अरिहंत परमात्मा।
आप हर एक जीव मात्र के अंदर विराजमान है।
आप हर एक जीव मात्र के अंदर विराजमान है।
वैसे हमारे अंदर भी विराजमान है।
हमारे अंदर भी विराजमान है।
आपका स्वरूप वही मेरा स्वरूप है।
आपका स्वरूप वही मेरा स्वरूप है।
मेरा स्वरूप शुद्ध आत्मा है।
मेरा स्वरूप शुद्ध आत्मा है।
शुद्ध आत्मा भगवान।
हे शुद्ध आत्मा भगवान,
मैं आपको अभेद भाव से अत्यंत भक्ति से नमस्कार करता हूँ। अज्ञानता के वश मैंने जो जो दोषों किए हैं, वो सभी दोषों को आपके समक्ष जाहिर करके उनके लिए खूब पछतावा करता हूँ और आपके पास क्षमा याचना करता हूँ। हे प्रभु, मुझे क्षमा करो, क्षमा करो, क्षमा करो। और मैं फिर से ऐसे दोष न करूं। इससे आप मुझे शक्ति प्रदान शुद्धात्मा भगवान, वैसी कृपा करो जिससे मुझसे भेदभाव छूट जाए, अभेद स्वरूप प्राप्त हो। मैं आपके अंदर अभेद स्वरूप से तन्मयाकार रहूं। जय सच्चिद आनंद। जय सच्चिदानंद। जय सच्चिदानंद। जय सच्चिदानंद। We show me where Krishna is not there. Show me where Krishna is not there.
Krishna is everywhere.
Alwhere, everywhere. Huh?
Yes, it's everywhere.
You cannot say nowhere.
It's everywhere.
Everywhere. In every body. Not in this camera.
Every living thing.
In camera?
No, every living thing.
A living thing. Oh, you are so wise. My God. Then you know a lot. God sits in living beings, but particularly in human being and in the heart of the human being. Special seat. But unfortunately, it is not within the know of present day Kali age, Kali-Kal human beings. Therefore, the worship by every human being, all over, everywhere, without exception, is by every beings, by everyone's having a head seat. Which seat? Head seat, which is called intellect seat. Do you follow? Yes. It is attendant with all the inner body state along with that intellect. Yes. Yes. But ruling aspect is by that queen of the chessboard. Powerful queen. Very queen. Queen is powerful always. Of chessboard. Chessboard of internal game of the human being life. The chessboard is from within. उसको चेसबोर्ड बोलते हैं. उसमें 4 पार्ट से चेसबोर्ड काम करती है, इसीलिए चौपाट बोलते हैं. चौपाट सुना है आपने? करके चौरस बैठते हैं, सामने बैठे जाते हैं, सामने बैठे जाते हैं. खेले आपने? तो राजा रानी खेलते थे. अब तो राजा है
नहीं मौका मिला.
वसंत तू खेला था चौपाट?
हाँ, बचपन में खेला था.
अच्छा अच्छा. तो क्या गाड़ी गाड़ी बोलते हैं, आप क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कैसी कुकरी निकलती है तो सब कुछ खराब कर देती है. नहीं मालूम? अच्छा, नहीं तेरे को चौपाट मालूम नहीं. किसको मालूम है? कौड़ी बोलते हैं. कौड़ी वो बिल्कुल होती. जहाँ वहाँ वो बूढ़ा उल्टा कैसे बोलते हैं? और ऊँट भी ऐसा ऐसा चाहते थे. लेकिन रानी को तो सब कुछ राज है.
वो तो किधर से भी चल सकता है.
चीफ मिनिस्टर को राज करती है सब कुछ. तो राजा अकेला बैठा ही रहता है. बस बेचारा क्या करे, गद्दी बस उठने ही नहीं देता हो. तो दिल में है, उनको चांस ही में नहीं मिलता. तो भी क्या करे, आप ये प्रश्न करते हो मुझे. उसको फ्री टाइम तो मिलना चाहिए. बेचारा है आज का ह्यूमन बैंक का ऑल अराउंड. जैसा जैसा बाहर से ज्यादा सुखी होता जाता है और भी ज्यादा बेचारा होता जाता रहता है. और जो बेसिक्स है वहाँ अच्छी ढंग से रहा. ऐसी बात है बेसिक्स. ठीक है ना साहब? अरे पद तो बोलो. अरे बोलने जो मुझे बोलना पड़े तेरे को. फर्स्ट भाई को देना और बाकी को जो और फर्स्ट में आपको दे वो बुक यस गिव. Sirazudin wanted to read, no? Sirazudin cannot read. पेज नंबर वगैरह बोलना, बातें मैंने कहा
पेज नंबर 18
दादा परमात्मा बहुत जल्दी आ गए आप लोग ने। अच्छा
कल ध्यान दिया कल
कौन है? अच्छा कविता आपका कहाँ गई? आ गए यहाँ से यहाँ अरे वाह वाह।
निज पद को स्थिर करो, तन मन जगमग कर दो, तन मन जगमग कर दो, स्वपद को अमर कर दो, स्वपद को अमर कर दो, गागा के दादा गीत, गागा के दादा गीत, निज पद को स्थिर करो, निज पद को स्थिर करो, तन मन जगमग कर दो, तन मन जगमग कर दो, स्वपद को अमर कर दो, स्वपद को अमर कर दो, मानव के भव में ही, मानव के भव में ही मुक्ति का पथ मिले, मुक्ति का पथ मिले, दूसरी सब गतियों में, दूसरी सब गतियों में कर्मों फल रस पीले, कर्मों फल रस पीले, जीव मिट के शिव बनो, जीव मिट के शिव बनो, ईश्वर जागृत कर दो, ईश्वर जागृत कर दो, मानव से देव बनो, मानव से देव बनो, खुद को ही खुदा कर दो, खुद को ही खुदा कर दो, जीवन का मूल हेतु, जीवन का मूल हेतु, स्वगुण प्रोडक्टिवली, स्वगुण प्रोडक्टिवली, सब संसारी सुविधा, सब संसारी सुविधा, बाय प्रोडक्शन की, बाय प्रोडक्शन की, जग कल्पित भ्रांति है, जग कल्पित भ्रांति है, रिलेटिव विवेक का मजबूत कर लेना।
जो आंसू का अभिषेक,
जो आंसू का अभिषेक
दादा को चढ़ा देना,
दादा को चढ़ा देना।
अपना आत्मा स्थायी,
अपना आत्मा साई,
आदि जग अस्थाई,
पानी जग अस्थाई,
है कैंपररी सब भूल,
है टेम्पररी सब भूल।
परमानेंट सिद्ध कर दो,
परमानेंट सिद्ध कर दो।
दादा के दादा की,
दादा के दादा की,
निज पद को स्थिर करो,
निज पद को स्थिर करो।
तन मन जगमग कर दो,
तन मन जगमग कर दो।
स्वपद को अमर कर दो,
स्वपद को अमर कर दो।
स्वपद को अमर कर दो,
स्वपद को अमर कर दो।
बस एक बात है, लाइफ जीवन क्या है? मेरा हर एक का जीवन क्या है? सारा भारत बोलो या विश्व बोलो, अगर मनुष्य के नाते ही मानव धर्म की बात कर ले, तो मनुष्य धर्म से ही बात कर ले, तो जीवन क्या है? अगर आपको समझना है तो हम छोटे में बता देते हैं कि लाइफ और कुछ है ही नहीं, उनके दो ही कंपार्टमेंट है, फक्त दो कंपार्टमेंट। वैसे ही लाइफ तो ड्युअलिटी में चली जाती है, वो तो जानते हैं आप, है कि नहीं? ड्युअलिटी कई कई प्रकार की होती है, लेकिन चली जाती है ड्युअलिटी, है कि नहीं? Just like two sides of a coin. लेकिन जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आई एम टेलिंग यू साइंस ऑफ द लाइफ, ह्यूमन लाइफ, कि ह्यूमन लाइफ दो ही कंपार्टमेंट, दो ही फिक्स कंपार्टमेंट है। कौन सा? एक कंपार्टमेंट है 100% effective right from the birth till the end. क्या बताया? बोलो
जीवन से मृत्यु तक
100% effect. बोलो
100% effect.
Right from birth.
Right from birth to death.
Do you understand? You follow? Or no? Effect. You follow?
Yes.
Then there can never ever be an effect without a cause. What do you say?
Yes.
Every cause has to have, every effect has to have a cause.
Everything has to
And
have
every cause will be followed by the effect. You understand? No? So, this life from birth till end is effect only. And that part of effect part is 100% a fixed lived out type, to live out type compartment. Fixed. Normally, all over the world, in different worlds, it is state destiny, fate, agya, कहीं के प्रकार से बोलते हैं. You understand? Daiva, etc.
Yes.
But correct word is it's a decided compartment of the life, 100%. That is for everybody. Nobody can escape. Universal. The other compartment, this is decided, I say, and the other compartment is from the time of understanding after the birth of you being I am with the body and body sense. With my, do you understand? With that factor, I with my factor, the living out that aspect, with that living out aspect, what you you are living out state, compartment, is a constantly living out compartment from the time of understanding till the end. As a decision aspect of the compartment. That is to say, decision means not decision making. Do you understand?
Yes.
Not decision making.
Not karma.
But as and by way of a state of being. Understand? With the belief of I with my-ness being, state of being. You understand? That everybody has. That goes on. Beyond this, the head enters in between. Then it's all garbage and trouble.
All garbage starts.
And that head makes us, head means is the body organ is there. The functioning of that body organ, inner body organ, is called Antakaran. You know that? Actually, basically, the function is mainly by mind, at mind level. The mind as a controller of the whole body. Understand? But mind alone is not there inside in the Antakaran. Mind is the main, but there are other three functioning aspects of the Antakaran part of the body. They are not different organs. Mind is the main, it is physical, and therefore it is the main. The others are different. The other three are one conscious aspect, body conscious aspect. Do you follow?
Yes.
Body conscious aspect is that aspect that is of a I and my state aspect of roaming, wandering within and without everywhere. इसीलिए आप बता रहे थे कि यहाँ हो एवरीवेयर इसे बोलते हैं उसको चित्त बोलते हैं. English conscious word is not that correct.
Chitt is correct.
Word, but there is no other wording that you can say. That is the best way you can explain. In English, our real word is chitta. Exact word. Chit is a Sanskrit word indicating the presence of supreme state of being within the Atman's, Paramatman state that is there, but latent. How? Latent. Understand or not? It's like that. Latent why? because of that chitta condition. With chitta condition, your state of being in a wandering and roaming never is the cause because of which state of supreme being, that is of your real state of being, it is latent in under that of the roaming aspect. That is the point. And nobody is, this is the subtlest part of the whole game of a human life and our wandering life from life after life in this eternal cycle. This go from infinite times till infinite times till you get released from this wandering, the starting point, release. Like the circle is there, where you can never pinpoint anywhere as a beginning point nor an end point. Understand? That is how it is. But a circle, the moment circle is open. There,
we have a starting
that beginning is there. That means the end of that circle is to come when it started. You understand? So, think like that. But a circle is, what is that circle? The circle is indicative and representative of the development of a human being of belief development state. Belief on the level of belief. You want to go back here? Or you are there? You are there, no? All right. At the level, they are different beliefs, no? So according to the development of the belief level is a chitta level, conscious, I-minded state. And it is under the latent factors of intensity, varying intensities. Do you understand? So that circle is a relative roaming circle. Do you understand? Beginning of the initiation of the life continually going on, again starting. But you cannot say that has come in, but the end is also starting point. And coming there, the starting point has come to the end again. And that end is again starting point. Like that circle is going on. Now do you understand? Or no?
Yes.
That is all relative part of consciousness state of us. But supreme being state that is latent within, without presence of which this cannot be there. So it is there all the time. But it is there all the time. There is nothing going out of it, nothing coming in it. It's latent form. But because of that factor, that development is taking place, so many circles in life, development does take place. Roaming. Do you understand? That is how it is. So in the roaming part, the larger the circles, the roaming travel is large. Amongst all the living forms of 4 types, that you know, I think. 4 gati bolte, something like that, etc., etc. And the development wise, the circle is smaller like that. The circle is there like that. That is all it is. Do you understand? Development wise. But at the same time, development wise, it development, progress is only circle, and every time the progress comes over the degrees and progresses further. So human formation I say, is starting at 180 of that point. Until then all other forms, lower forms and rest of the forms and everything. This is the point. And then it starts. This views rendering, but the state that you are today is after, you cannot imagine, you will get lost in that. Follow? Here we say that on the Philip plane, you have from inside naturally, after all, what is this for? After all, that question never occurs to me as to why I am everywhere in the life. But who am I? That question never occurs. And what that I is? Idols. Understand? But nobody is. Can be rocket? It's good. There is no fear of it.
It is there always.
That is the point. So, question is a question only when it is of such a inquisitive order as to heartily know the answer. Do you know Parthivan? Understand? Or no? Heartily I say, stretching that springs up from the heart can seek the answer for the heart. Questions sprouting from the intellect and head will seek answers for that only. And this is exactly what is happening. Do you follow? This is what, where we say, well, you follow. You were very punyashali yesterday. On their own day. Anybody told them? Who told you that we won't be at the house of Dharmu? Right? No, Kulla. In Kulla's house you told me. Kulla's house. Therefore, timing, such important. And that experiment that was yesterday, Harsha, of this God realization, which is verily with you by us, that experiment yesterday that was there, that these two said that, these two pulled up and another 10, 12, 14, whatever. I knew not, but I was told, okay. So long as the body is there, it can happen. It is not the value of that body that it is there, but the presence of that body within which we are one with that Godhood state at our heart. You understand? With our centered in the body as body, And body, that is before everybody, all of you, just like you, the way you see, speaking to you, seeing everything, all the functions, and all the way you work. There is no difference. Only difference is from inside. Now do you understand? Yes. It is not that I am hiding anything. Naturality. Naturality. What is the
Gulati sab.
Gulati. Just tell me.
No, it's,
Who's
it's
Mr.
okay.
Gulati.
It was since long. It was there.
long? Acha.
Oh, it's okay.
No, let me.
We can see.
Okay.
Next time.
Fine. So, this is all. So, that compartment decided and constantly living out I plus my. That's what decision. It's not decision making, but state of being wise decision wise. That is not an understanding. That is very subtle understanding. The decision aspect in life is there. In the world, in the intellectual world and world parlance, how the decision aspect is understood. Making wise. Or no? There is it. Do you follow? There is a total sky of difference, north south difference between decision making and decision of state of being state. Continually in the life. Professor, we follow or not? Do you follow?
Trying to understand.
Huh?
Trying to understand.
State of continually.
Decision making and
Not for you, I say. Not for you. Your state of being is now different. Oh, why you are thinking so much? इसीलिए मैं कर अभी तो छोड़ो अभी
No, it's okay. Many answers have come automatically.
Tomorrow I'll let you know. Automatically.
वो जो 5 मिनट में आया मैं 5 मिनट में आया
Okay.
Dadaji, then Vasudevan could not make it because of the time factor.
Vasudevan, no. He could not that he could not make it. The scientific aspect of the circumstantial, evidential of his timing of meeting me, the factor was lacking. One factor. Then we that factor is do you want to know? Do you want to know that factor?
Yeah, he was just saying that maybe Kanu Dadaji did not want to see me. I said, it's
That
not.
is exactly, this is the factor that was lacking.
He was talking like that.
This is the factor that was lacking. He was coming in between. He was not helpful.
Pardon?
Was he not interfering in between? He would have been here.
He was interfering with himself.
Science of all happening aspects.
But the external aspect was only petrol.
That was also one of the cause.
External aspect you don't understand that it is so subtle. Science. The science you have to understand. That is what why do we give you Ajna? It is with us, and therefore we give you Ajna. But for you it is not that easy to understand that Ajna. Very difficult. It is mercury to digest. Poison just like the Shiva. Whole world, whole devas and whole demons. None can.
We can digest it.
Yes. Then
We can digest it with your face.
that is different thing. But
No, I understood that his not destined to come, but
Huh?
we want your grace that he will come one day.
No, that is true, but you can convey that be positive in your attitude. That is, it is called bhava. Bhava means positive attitude-wise for this. You decide, you start, go, and yet some lacking factor will not let you reach. It is possible. There you are not at fault.
Yeah.
The how is the most. There are four fundamental, basic, main I say, factors responsible for an event to happen. Event every way for our being, for all of us. One is Vasudevan as a Dravyan, as himself, to be present. See, he could not be right. So there was some part of it somewhere lacking. So though he started and he could not reach. Look here.
2 times.
Look here, 2 times, that too. Wait. Then Kshetra. That means he left that place. What was that? Ibadan. He left Ibadan. He walked for here. But you can see, Kshetra, there was time, car. The car that is given to Vasudeva himself, mind-wise, speech-wise, body-wise, attend to their body, that car. It is,
Mind, body.
yes, actually, all of us. It's a relative car. Time. Any happening has its own exact time. Without time it cannot happen. The way in a car engine the firing takes place, proper time. If it is advanced, if it retards, then you have to correct. The engineers know that, I don't know. You understand? It's like this. But here you can't do that. Huh? Even in gears and all these things it is there. Man-made machineries. And this is Chetan Chetan. When in the presence of the Supreme Being, the whole, wherein we are already fed there, happily, positive, for us to effect out through gross birth and life, through by way of living out. Otherwise, all stored thing, what will be? Worse than heavy it will be. It won't exhaust out. We are going to understand that. Every thought, mind-wise, speech-wise, it must exhaust out. The human body is simple. All these things they just come go. Then what to think of? This inner kachra, ultimate. This inner kachra diffuse, who will accept that? Why do you look at me? You think that I am pure? Everybody who has to think that my whole house is pure. Hey, this is very nice. I am Brahmin. Oh my God. Your sannyasi says, my heart is very pure. Do you understand that? Why are you looking at me? I am within the world and out of the world at the same time. Fully, understand? Out of the world. Therefore, we can give you all the mysteries and all these things like this. And that is, of course, grace is of the master. But the experience is mine. That is very, in the very presence of the body, that experience has to happen. And these 5 sentences result in that. You understand? They are not simple, but they are not difficult also, complex also. Understand? They make your difficult life very simple. Ula. Understand? What was made difficult by us, verily for us, is being made simple and simpler and simpler, and bringing it to natural level, normal level. You understand? From top this way, from bottom that way. Good ways. A very file account. Hey, she's laughing. Poem is laughing. તને શાની મજા પડે છે? ગમે છે તને? હું શું બોલું ખબર પડે તને? સમજાય છે બધું? ઇન્દોરી માલ છે. ઇન્દોરી વાલે થોડે સમજાઈ ગયે. તમારા શુક્લાજી હતા ને? शुक्ला ऐसी बात है, समझ में? You understand? It is not against Vyavahar. 5 sentences is not against Vyavahar. It is fully in consonance with the Vyavahar. And then only Vyavahar starting point is there. Do you understand? Before that, what was believed to be Vyavahar was an illusory Vyavahar. Do you understand, all of you? Before Jnana or before realization and 5 precepts of the times of this Kali age, all illusory Vyavahar of doership. And now, these 5 sentences. It is bound to happen. Because the I, my factor is how depends on that. You follow? If it is human like, then it will be you following shadows that will be cast. Do you understand? If it is animal like, I am living out, those shadows will be cast. Do you understand? If it is demon or then their shadows heavy and all that, those shadows will cast. As if to live for your happiness, snatching others and spice like that. Understand? Happiness is a factor that cannot be snatched from one to another. Never. But this body factor, there are so many languages that happen spiritually, and we get lost in it. What we have to understand from within, superficial understanding will happen. That is what is happening. ये सारा हिंदू धर्म में सभी और सभी धर्म गलत नहीं है. It leads you progressively further and further, but there must be a hearty guide to guide you. Hearty, I say. Hearty. यहाँ दादा भगवान का एक गुड स्टेटमेंट है, विधान है. It's all time that व्यापार में धर्म होना, लेकिन धर्म में व्यापार न होना. What? व्यापार means commerce activities. What is life after all? To live life. What is life? Living for what? to exist? And what is it if it is not commerce? Why do you think so much? बोलिए ना सर. Sir.
Discharge our duties.
Discharge our duty. Beautiful words.
Worldly duties.
वो तो है ना बोलना ही पड़ता है, बोलना ही पड़ेंगे ना. जेल में है बोलना है. वो तो मेरी ड्यूटी है यहाँ रहने की. नहीं कोई ना. ऐसी बात है. अरे गाड़ी चलती है. अरे पास टाइम 5 पास हो गई.
टाइम हो गया.
चलो हो गया.